Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add multiple photos in Canva, whether you're creating a collage, a presentation, or just want to elevate your design with several images. It's super simple, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to combine photos like a pro. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. You can use either the free or pro version for this tutorial. It also helps to have your images ready on your device, or you can grab them from online sources while working. Once you're inside Canva, head to the homepage and open a new design. It could be an Instagram post, a poster, or any custom size you prefer. Now, look over to the left sidebar and click on Elements. This is where the magic happens. You'll see tons of creative tools, shapes, lines, graphics, and more. In the search bar inside Elements, type Frames. Frames are basically placeholders that allow you to drag and drop your photos into different shapes, circles, letters, grids, or unique creative layouts. Click on See All to view Canva's full frame collection. Browse through the options and choose a multi-frame template, something that fits your project style. Maybe a simple grid for a photo collage, or something more abstract if you want an artistic vibe. Once you find one you like, click to add it to your design. Next, it's time to bring in your photos. Go to the Uploads tab on the sidebar. From here, you can either use your previously uploaded files or click Upload Media to add new ones. Canva lets you upload directly from your computer, phone, Google Photos, or even social media. Once your images are uploaded, the fun part begins. Click, drag, and drop each image into the frame you want. When you hover over a frame, it'll highlight. That's your cue to release. Canva will automatically fit your image inside the frame perfectly. You can double click on any photo to reposition or resize it inside the frame until it looks just right. Feel free to mix and match, swap photos, and experiment until your composition pops. And here's a quick tip. Use Canva's built-in editing tools to make your images even better. You can adjust brightness, contrast, add filters, or tweak colors to match your overall theme. And that's it. You've just learned how to add multiple photos in Canva in a clean, professional way. This simple trick can make your designs look polished and cohesive, perfect for social media posts, digital portfolios, or business branding. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Canva and design tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating, keep designing, and I'll see you in the next one.